Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up? Hey you guys, welcome back everyone to another amazing cook with me guys. So today we are making jumbo fried coconut shrimp guys. Yes. And let us go ahead and wash our hands. Alright. So in the meanwhile, we're going to heat up our skillet. So you want to make sure you have a skillet with some oil, vegetable oil, corn oil, whatever oil that you use right here. And just put it on a medium high heat. Okay? Alright. So this is very simple to do. Alright. So these shrimp are already clean, so we don't have to clean them. Okay, as you guys can see. Alright, I bought them already cleaned. The only thing that you have to do, guys, is add your vinegar in here. Wash them a couple of times. Okay. Alright. We're going to let the water run for just a second. Alright. Now we're going to drain this off. Run some more water. You want to make sure, when dealing with seafood, any kind of meat product, guys, that you clean it, even though if you buy it already cleaned. Preferably making this kind of dish, you should buy it already cleaned, but you can clean it yourself. It'll just be a longer process. Alright guys, so for this recipe, let's make sure we drain off all the water. You're gonna need sweetened coconut flake. You're also gonna need 1 cup of all-purpose flour and everything. I hear the oil. Yeah. 1 cup of all-purpose flour and also some breadcrumbs. So your breadcrumbs is going to go in with your coconut flake. So we're going to put about a cup and so forth in this bowl. And then you're also going to need, the ingredient says 1 egg, but I'm going to use 2 just to be on the safe side. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put our flour on this plate. Okay. So we're just going to put our seasoning. Okay. So, yes, that should be good. That's about a cup right there. Let's get this fork. You want to make sure you just lay it out onto the plate like this. Okay, and then you start to season your flour. So we have some paprika here, not too much, and then we have some garlic powder. Okay, I'm using some Old Bay seasoning, not too much. Okay, so this is high in sodium. All right, so you want to get a fork and you just mix it into the flour. Okay, all right. All right, and you just want to know that the flour is well seasoned. Okay, so now we're gonna crack our eggs, as you guys can see. Okay, into this bowl right here. Okay, I'm just gonna beat it just a little bit. All right. So the purpose of the eggs, guys, is so that the breadcrumbs and all of that can stick. So you just want to take a knife or a spoon, whatever you have near you, to beat it. All right. Next thing is you're gonna open your coconut flakes and you're going to put it in your next container. All right. So you can find this at your local grocery store in the bacon aisle. Okay. In the bacon aisle. All right. Bacon aisle. Okay, and then you're gonna take your plain breadcrumbs that you use for like meatloaf, meatballs, whatever you're making, and that's basically what you're gonna do, and you're gonna mix it in there, guys. Okay. So, yes, you're gonna mix it in there. Okay. Mix it all in there. Okay. Okay, guys. So now we are going to do our flour. Okay. So what you want to do is put your okay. You want to shake it off. All right. Okay. And then we're going to dip it into the egg. All right. Okay. And then now you want to make sure that it's covered with the coconut and the breadcrumb. Okay. So you see how it's covered, guys? Okay. If you like, you can always add more. All right. Now we're gonna place it into our fryer. Okay. And you do the same thing for the rest of them. Okay. I'll bring the pot over just so you guys can see in just a moment. Okay. So you shake off your flour, you dip it into your egg. Okay. Drain it off just a little bit. And then you sprinkle. I'm sprinkling, guys, so I can just bury the shrimp because I want to have that good taste. Okay? Yeah, I want to have that good flavor. So let me show you guys. Okay. and then dip into your egg. Drain it off just a little bit. Okay? And then bury it into your alright. Okay. Alright. And again, shrimp doesn't take long to cook, guys. So you don't want your fire on a blasting heat where you're burning the shrimp. Okay, guys? And also, if you have been to Mr. Sancho's in Mexico, they serve this there, guys. So this is you can make this at home. If you ever wanted to make it, you can make it at home. All right, and you should also start to hear the aroma of smell the aroma of the coconut. All right. Okay, guys. So you guys can see, that's how your shrimp's supposed to look. So you just want to gently turn them. All right, that's how it's supposed to look. Okay, guys. So, as you guys can see, we are halfway done with our shrimps. Alright. You want to kind of monitor your fire so you don't burn them. So it is very okay if the oil does kind of go different color because you're using about 3 different batters here. So it's okay. All right. Put this in there, guys. And now it's time to play it. So I made some mashed potatoes, guys, to go with this. You can also, whatever you would like to make with it, you can make some chips, you can make some French fries, whatever you would like to go with your your shrimps, that's perfectly fine. Okay? Okay. Alright guys, I am going to take one on camera for you guys. Just give me a moment. You can also eat these with the salsa, if you have the salsa. Here we go. We got some coconut shrimp, some mashed potatoes, and some veggies, guys. There you have it. Jumbo fried coconut shrimp. So, guys, this is how it tastes. You can taste the sweetness. Very much good. Yeah. So guys, as I always say, remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share each time I upload, each time I go live. See you guys. Family, what's up, YouTube family? What's up?